Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your perfect oval engagement ring. In the world of glittering gemstones and eternal promises, oval engagement rings reign supreme. Their popularity has surged over the years, their exquisite shape encapsulating a timeless elegance that whispers sentiments of love and commitment. In recent news, the name James Allen has been making waves in the sphere of oval engagement rings. This renowned retailer is a beacon of affordability without sacrificing quality or design. Forbes, in their recent articles, has highlighted James Allen among the top retailers for affordable engagement rings. The average couple, it seems, spends around $3,800 on an engagement ring, and James Allen is here to ensure that each dollar translates into a symbol of everlasting love. James Allen's oval engagement rings are a testament to this commitment. Each ring is crafted with an eye for detail, the oval-cut gemstones showcasing a brilliance that rivals the stars. The website's user-friendly interface, complete with a ring concierge and inspiration gallery, ensures that choosing the perfect ring becomes an experience to cherish rather than a daunting task. Moreover, the convenient installment plan offered by James Allen takes the financial stress out of the equation. The first month's installment is charged to the customer's credit card, with the entire purchase amount held in reserve at no cost. Subsequent monthly payments are charged to the credit card, with the remaining amount on hold not showing up as debt. This allows customers to focus on what truly matters, the joy of choosing a ring that symbolizes their love story. To sum up, the elegance of oval engagement rings continues to charm the world. James Allen, with its affordable and stunning oval engagement rings, is making this timeless symbol of love accessible to all. Their user-friendly shopping experience, coupled with a worry-free installment plan, ensures that choosing an engagement ring becomes a cherished memory rather than a stressful ordeal. So, if you're on the journey to find that perfect symbol of love, remember, elegance, affordability, and quality can coexist, and James Allen's oval engagement rings are proof of that. As we conclude this journey through the world of oval engagement rings, remember, your perfect symbol of love is just a click away. James Allen's wide range of elegant, affordable, and high-quality oval engagement rings are waiting for you. Don't let the fear of a stressful shopping experience keep you from your dream engagement ring. James Allen has made it easy and stress-free for you. And remember, elegance, affordability, and quality are not mutually exclusive. They come together in James Allen's oval engagement rings. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your perfect oval engagement ring. Your journey to forever starts here.